Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Volvo S60 steering wheel. First, always prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative terminal of your car's battery. This crucial step prevents accidental airbag deployment. After disconnecting, wait at least 10 minutes to ensure the airbag system fully discharges. Finally, make sure your steering wheel is perfectly straight and locked before proceeding. This ensures proper reinstallation later. Next, we'll tackle the airbag module. Look for two small access holes, usually on the sides of the steering wheel. Carefully insert a small flathead screwdriver into each hole to release the retaining clips. Once both clips are disengaged, gently pull the airbag module away from the steering wheel. Remember to disconnect the electrical connectors on the back of the module before setting it aside safely. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more DIY guides. And speaking of staying cool under pressure, especially when working on your car, remember to stay hydrated. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is fantastic for keeping your drinks cold while you're wrenching. Check the description for a link to grab one and other exclusive deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Now, for the main event, removing the steering wheel itself. You'll need an 18mm socket wrench to loosen the large central bolt. Before fully removing the wheel, it's a good idea to mark its position relative to the steering shaft. This ensures perfect alignment when you put it back. Once the bolt is off, gently wiggle the steering wheel back and forth to free it from the splined shaft. It should slide off with a little effort.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.